Should I start?
Yeah.
I'll do it that way. No? Yeah, I like this way better, yes. Hello guys, and welcome to my video, which is basically gonna be another unboxing video with me, Jonathan. Okay, so let's get in. As you can see, this is a pre-assembled brake drum kit. Pre-assembled, as you can see per this picture. But further, you're not sure what's in the box. All you see is a picture. There might be some, I don't know, cupcakes inside or whatever, I don't know. That's why there's an unboxing video. So, without further ado, let's get into the box so you can see. Let's get it over with. Posh, done. Okay, so inside the box, you can see straight away a pre-assembled drum kit. As you saw in the previous picture, you see there. Although what you get is black shoe bodies, whereas on this one they're like more like diarrhea color, as you can see there. So what you get is one pre-assembled thing, shoes and stuff. Then you get these things. I think they're like cylinders or something. I don't know. I'm not sure what they are. And you get this funky looking mask. A very funky ass. Okay. You get some pins, retaining pins, some springs as well. You get some. What's this? You get some like a bit of grease. And then you get another one. So this is a set. It costed me £43. I could have added another 20 and could have bought, all of this with the drums, actual new drums. But it was coming from Germany, and I couldn't be bothered to wait. That's why I bought these. Because my drums are sort of okay. I'm gonna paint them maybe. And they'll be fine, okay. So, thank you for watching this very informative video. And see you in the next video. Maybe it's gonna be an unboxing, maybe it won't. Nobody knows. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye. So what, should I start like this, with my hands on the box? Or how do you think? Or that way? This way? Cover up the picture? I think...
Yes, you should start with the book.
This way? Yes? I'll do that way. Which way do you want me to go? Tell me. Put my hands on that. This way? So what, like this? You mean what? Cover up?